Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Reddit history on iPhone. So in order to do this, first of all, open Reddit application on your iPhone and navigate to the interface. After this, you'll have to simply click on your profile icon at the top right of the screen and you will see profile, community, saved and a list of options. From these, click on the settings option and you'll be navigated to your settings page. Here, you will see account settings, Reddit Premium, language, view options, accessibility, dark mode, advanced, about, and support. From these options, you'll have to navigate to the advanced section and you will see the clear local history available here. Simply click on this button that says clear local history and you will see a pop-up appearing at the bottom of the screen saying clear local history. You'll have to simply click on this and when you click on clear local history, your history from Reddit will be cleared up. So you can also do this on mobile application or the website. Just navigate to Reddit, click on your profile icon, select settings and from these navigate to advanced and click on clear local history. Select this again and your local history will be cleared after you see this pop up on your mobile phone. So that's how you delete Reddit history on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.